Before you think about skipping this video, let me say if you keep watching, there's a chance to win lots of Metal Medic gear. Hey, what's going on? This is Jim with RealWorldPDR.com. If you haven't yet, make sure that you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you weren't able to make it to the workshop this time, let me tell you, you missed out on all kinds of good times. One super awesome thing that happened was Ken Garrison from Metal Medic, he showed up and showed off some of his products. So Metal Medic recently put out this Rail Blaster PDR hammer. Now, I've been using this for precision work and I love this damn thing. It's actually taking the place of my mini Rock Hill hammer. The mini Rock Hill is still a great damn hammer and I do like the flat side, but for me, this Metal Medic Rail Blaster just kind of has it all. So those of you who were at the workshop got to see this thing in action, and I think we actually sold quite a bit of them while we were here. Those of you who attended the workshop also saw me donkey kick this quarter panel. My 2-week trainee Tucker is working on it right now, so we're gonna use this hammer and show you how I use it. So this is what's left after one day of working on this from Tennessee Tuck. Now, did I mention that I donkey kicked this thing? Yeah, so within a week of him touching a PDR tool, he's fixing kicked in quarter panels. Does real world PDR work? I don't know, you be the judge. So this is a really nice hammer. I've got this sped up super speed here, and you can see I'm using it for little precision cleanup work. That's what I find myself using this hammer the most for. It's balanced super well. The handle is very comfortable with that teardrop handle there, and it comes with a soft condom. Not the kind that we all hate, but one that makes the hit softer. So we will be giving away one of these here Rail Blaster hammers. Also, this bad boy, which I'll show you here in a minute, or like right now. And 2 different knockdowns. These tools are badass and will more than cover your cost of subscription to RealWorldPDR.com. All these tools from Metal Medic, I've used all of them and they're all really, really great. Well, Jim, how do I sign up? Easy! All you do is go to RealWorldPDR.com, sign up for PDR Monthly. Now, this isn't a drawing. The first 4 of you who do this, who sign up, I will be shipping one of these 4 tools to you. And for the next 5 after that, I'll either ship you Real World PDR t-shirts. Those were designed and produced by Kane Bailey. Thanks, buddy. And then for the next 4 after that, you guys are getting an RWO PDR podcast shirt full of sponsors, full of tool companies that were represented here at the PDR workshop. So one more time, signing up is super simple. Log on to RealWorldPDR.com, join PDR Monthly. There you'll have access to all the information you need to start your PDR journey or get better at PDR. And then the first 4 of you are gonna win those Metal Medic tools. And then however many more until I get bored with it are gonna get some t-shirts. Okay, here's how it's gonna work. The first 2 of you that sign up are gonna get one of 2 of these hammers. So you're gonna get one of those. The next 2 are gonna get one of these 2 knockdowns. And then for a while after that, while I still have supplies of them, we're gonna start sending out these t-shirts for new members of PDR Monthly. Sign up today at www.realworldpdr.com. You won't be disappointed. Make sure you check out the Real World Order PDR podcast, available, well, like everywhere podcasts are listened to. Also, make sure you check out DentMate. If you're not using an estimating software like DentMate, you're missing out. DentMate offers a 30-day free trial. You got nothing to lose.